come with me to do a full head reconstruction on my cousin's hair. So first we're taking off his braids, and after we're gonna be washing all the excess product that he has on his hair, to then add the Steph's hair bar new hair mask. If you know, you know. Is used for detangling the hair easier, adding moisture and shine, and also adding nutrients to your hair follicles so they can stay healthy and not break so fast. Because if you do braids back to back, your hair could easily just break and you could get alopecia. But using this mask and moisture, it helps moisturizing your scalp and keep your hair strong. As you can see right here, we're blow drying his hair afterwards, and look how thick and full and shiny and nice it is. Make sure to get your hair mask at your hair appointment. So after you take your braids off, you can always make sure to take care of your hair. Then we're gonna go in with the Breeze and Braids gel so we can start this new style that we're doing on my cousin. Guys, go get this gel. It's super good and it smells amazing.
Bitch better have my money. Y'all should know me well enough. Bitch better have my money. Click down, call me on my bluff. Pay me what you want.
So after we finish his hair, we're going with the Steph's hair bar hair growth oil, and this oil is used for when your scalp is itchy to moisturize your scalp and promote hair growth. If you're not copying from my brand, what are you doing? And if you're not coming to book me, what the fuck are you doing? Do you guys see how crispy his work was? This was a freestyle I decided to do with my cousin, and y'all, this style ate down. If you want to book this style, you can always hit me up or book it online under. Ooh, hold on, my niggas. Hold on.